Do you want to be more productive, more organised and get more focused on your goals? This is what this course is all about. Hi, I'm Yao and welcome to Life Planning and Getting Things Done with Notion. If you have not heard of Notion, it's a productivity application you can use for your personal life and work. You can use it for managing tasks, help you organise your study, projects, notes, hobbies and life goals. It's an application that I and thousands of others believe can help change your life. It's vastly more flexible, more feature-rich, and more satisfying to use than any other productivity tools I've come across. This course will take you through how you can use Notion to help you in your personal life as a life planner and tool to get things done. I'm Yao, I'm a solutions consultant in London, and I have over 8 years experience in helping individuals and organisations achieve their goals and improve their work processes through technology. I'll be your instructor on this course. Over the years, I've tried many different productivity applications to manage both work projects and my personal life. Apps such as Evernote, Trello, Todoist, Asana, Google Sheets. Notion can replace all these apps. It's only when I discovered Notion that I feel truly satisfied that it is the right tool for me as an all-in-one digital life planner. This course is for both those new to Notion and those who use it already. For those new to Notion and keen on ideas how you can improve your personal productivity, you will learn how to use Notion with confidence. For people who are already using Notion, you will get ideas, tips and templates on how it can transform your productivity further and help you with other areas of your life. This course also includes links to templates on life planning and getting things done that you can clone and personalise within your Notion. Feel free to check out the course description for more information. I hope you will join me on this journey to get more productive, more organised and get things done.